Hello everyone, George Foley here, discussing 10 reasons why companies are switching to the AI talent partner model in 2025. Companies are cutting their costs for recruitment spend globally in 2025. We also know that they're looking to invest in AI and automation to replace recruiters over the next year. So the opportunity this year is not selling recruitment services, but selling AI automated recruitment services which you install for your end user clients. Now, this is a totally new model that we've developed inside of the agency blueprint that we're teaching clients at the moment to pitch and win retainers with big companies across the world. AI Talent Partner is the future of recruitment, and if you get in here early, you gain a competitive advantage against all the other recruitment agencies. So who am I? My name's George Foley. I am a recruitment agency owner of FindBeth. FindBeth is an AI Talent Partner model recruitment agency. I'm also an expert within recruitment AI and automation, coach in the agency blueprint, and have helped over 100 recruitment agencies automate their business. So we're moving away from the traditional hiring struggles towards AI-powered recruitment. Before, we were working with companies that were overspending on traditional recruitment agencies, leading to high costs. Now, the reason we have high costs as recruitment agencies is because our average fill rate is usually 20 to 30%. So what that means is the company that does end up taking a candidate from us is subsidizing all the time that we spent helping other companies that we didn't make a fee with. By getting a 100% fill rate or removing the need for fill rates, we're able to give better service and therefore bring the costs down for our end user clients. Talent acquisition teams are limited by outdated methods and lack of data-driven insights. So recruitment agencies are extremely competitive because they work on performance-based fees. As a result, recruitment agency technology is just better than what they have in-house. So we have a competitive advantage, and internal talent acquisition teams struggle to keep up with the latest tools because typically they're in larger corporate environments where you have to go through multiple rounds of approval and different things like this in order to get the technology brought in-house. So we're in a unique position where companies want to have an internal recruitment asset, but talent acquisition isn't quite completing all of the roles filled. Recruitment agencies are expensive, so that's not a good solution either for them at the moment, and this is where the AI talent partner model comes in. Now, hiring processes are slow and inefficient, resulting in lost opportunities and unfilled positions. So after a company embraces the AI talent partner model, they lower their costs and allow the company to allocate resources effectively. So if they're currently spending too much on recruitment budget, they can move that over to AI and automation spend, which they have budget for in 2025. We're able to give them advanced AI matching and global talent access, which provides a larger pool of qualified candidates. So we're giving them the competitive advantage of the recruitment agency's approach, systems, and software, but they're able to get it at the cost of an in-house talent acquisition person. We also provide them real-time analytics and reporting, enabling data-driven decision-making and faster time to hire. So we're able to give them dashboards using our tools, which can then bring them like the best data available. They can compare it to the average response rate or average interest rate from candidates across multiple different jobs as well. So we're going to jump into the 10 different reasons here that people are making the switch across. First one is obviously the massive cost savings. So this is a bit of a no-brainer. For the longest time, companies have been complaining about how much they have to spend on recruitment. Like I mentioned earlier, it's because we have to subsidize, or we only fill 20% to 30% of our roles. So we charge higher fees, 20 to 25% typically. So companies can save a staggering 60 to 80% on a traditional agency by switching to the AI talent partner model. But this is also more profitable of a business model for the recruitment agency switching to the AI talent partner model as well. So it's a true win-win. They save money and we actually increase the profit that we make as an agency as well, because we're not having to work on roles that we're simply not filling. It enables clients to slash their recruitment budget by more than half while also getting the better results as well. So they're going to receive enhanced data intelligence. So using the technology stack that we have here and we teach within the AI Talent Partner program, we teach people tools that have 100+ different data sources. So you can get instant access to talent insights. You can find candidates that don't just exist on LinkedIn, so you can scrape all different parts of the web to get this data as well. And it's effectively like a huge recruitment team working for you, automated, but without the overhead. So as an agency, you can keep your headcount very low and still scale the business model. So this also improves our candidate outreach. So the AI personalized messages are massively outperforming LinkedIn InMails. LinkedIn InMail really struggles with personalization. You can't specify certain details based on their profile. And so by using our own automation tools, we're not reliant on LinkedIn Recruiter, which is expensive and just seems to be getting worse results each year. The InMails aren't performing as well as they used to, which means we can use automated tools leveraging things like video job descriptions, voice notes, and get qualified candidates in the pipeline faster. So it's a lot more cost effective than LinkedIn solutions. So you can, as an agency and as an end user client, we can ditch the need for LinkedIn Recruiter. AI handles it better. We can do sourcing, we can do filtering, and we can use LinkedIn Sales Navigator or other premium LinkedIn services, which are a fraction of the cost of Recruiter. This move alone can save companies thousands annually, sometimes tens of thousands annually as well. Touched on this earlier, but the real-time analytics and reporting is absolutely key here. So the value for companies, end users, is that they can walk into boardroom meetings with live data at any given moment. So they're not chasing agencies for reports. They have access to it. They can see everything that we're doing in terms of sourcing, outreach, positive response rates. And so it's a massive plus benefit for the client as well. And we're able to offer this by leveraging our technology stack. The scalability here for agencies is huge because you're able to get a client, build a relationship, get sustainable revenue, and scale that long term by using either a remote assistant marketing sourcer who's helping you vet the profiles, or an operations integrator who is placed through our business remote assistants who can help you maintain these systems as well. So it's not just on you to maintain them. You can have a team around you that can help scale and build these out as you add more and more clients to your service. Now we can use AI to actually bring down the number of total candidates as well. And so using these tools, we're able to go from a list of 10,000 candidates down to 500 that are relevant. You may still go through the final 500 and do a review. You might get that down to 400, but you're not spending the hours and hours and hours going through the initial 10,000. So we're able to use AI to do some of the heavy lifting and filtering at the start and cut down the process by a significant amount. We're able to get global talent access. As I mentioned earlier, we've got 100 different data providers, so we can reach out to anyone around the world. We're also able to go beyond LinkedIn, so we can use tools that exist outside LinkedIn as well to bring this data in as well. Data sets and all sorts of different tools that we teach within the program as to how to get this data. This significantly improves the time to hire as well. Your average response rate and interest rate is higher. You can then move them into things like calendar booking systems, automated systems that gets them interviewed as soon as possible. You can also share this information with the client in a much easier way. Leveraging this technology is an absolute game changer because it streamlines your process, which means a better result for the client as well. This comes back to the win-win portion of the AI talent partner model. This is also future-proof recruitment. So the old agency model is dying. It's not going to exist. It is going to be replaced by AI talent partners. And this is just the truth. We've seen this happening for a while. Everyone knows that AI is on the way. So if you're running a traditional recruitment agency in 2025, there's a chance you may be replaced in the near future by another company that comes along and offers a AI talent partner solution to your client. So you want to be ahead of the game here and make sure that you're embracing this. We're teaching this entire model within our group here as part of the James Blackwell program. So we look forward to having you join us in 2025 to discuss and learn and scale your business by adapting the AI talent partner model in your business. Of course, if you're a company looking to hire, my company FindBeth is a recruitment agency as well. We can help you embrace this model into your business and start bringing down your recruitment costs today. Findbeth.com. And if you're interested in booking a call to get this implemented in your agency or discuss the talent partner model, links are in the description.